close up, and then like this, and then you open the shell, and then after you open, yung shell natin is mahihirapan kang dugdugin. But right after nag-drop, di ba siya buksan? So, nangyari sa hirap pala yan. Pero, pag buksan mo na siya, with lots of putik in the inside, it's so pretty, you know? Oh my gosh, so yummy, delicious. It's over. Yeah, oh my god, it's so yummy. And then you put it in this vinegar, you know, we make babad over here. When right after you make the babad, you open again a lot of talaba with a lot of putik, and put it inside. That's what makes this talaba so yummy, you know? That's why everyone likes this talaba, because of its putik inside. Yeah, it's so delicious, the putik. Yeah, it's so yummy. So everyone must try this one. It's a must, really a must try. So everyone, can you see this? The dirty ends of me, and then the talaba, you put it in the vinegar. And then after this, oh my god, it's so hard. Hard work really pays off. Kaya maganda. You know guys, if you work hard, you can make the talaba open. If you make the talaba open, you can eat this one, okay? And after you eat this one, you'll have to take your medicine. Because it's not healthy for you.